If you've got old leather tack that's seen better days, if it has brittle straps, mildew patches, or has just seen years of neglect, this saddle soap is a simple, effective way to bring it back to life. We recently restored an old English saddle that had been sitting mildewy with cracked leather and dry straps. The process was easy. Just dampen a cloth or a brush, work up a lather with the soap, and gently scrub the surface. Wipe it off after a bit, and you'll see the mildew and dirt gone instantly. The mildew came off fast and the leather softened noticeably. After it dried, I followed up with a conditioning oil to lock in moisture and protect the leather long term. We also gave a dusty old Western saddle a quick clean. It wasn't in bad shape, so this job only took a few minutes, and the leather looked instantly refreshed. The saddle soap combines cleaning power with conditioning agents like tallow and wax, making it perfect for regular maintenance or deeper restoration work. If you're dealing with stiff or moldy tack, this stuff really is a quick win and can help extend the life of your gear without a lot of elbow grease. Definitely something you need in every tack room.